Hey everyone, welcome back to Immigration YTTV, where we simplify U.S. immigration topics. Today, we're diving into a critical issue, how USCIS finds immigration fraud and how you can avoid it. With recent changes in 2025, the process is more rigorous than ever, so staying informed is key to a smooth application. We'll cover detection methods, red flags, tips to steer clear of trouble, and the newest rules. Let's get started, and remember, this is for educational purposes. Always consult an immigration attorney for your specific case. What is immigration fraud? Immigration fraud involves intentionally providing false information, fake documents, or misrepresenting facts to gain U.S. immigration benefits like visas, green cards, or citizenship. This could include sham marriages, fabricated employment offers, or altered records. USCIS takes this seriously because it undermines the integrity of the system. According to official guidelines, fraud can lead to denials, revocations, fines, or even criminal charges. How USCIS detects fraud. USCIS uses a multi-layered approach to spot fraud, combining technology, investigations, and human review. Here's how it works. Evidence review and database checks. Every application starts with a thorough examination of submitted documents under the preponderance of evidence standard, meaning USCIS assesses if your claims are more likely true than not. They cross-check info against government databases, including those from the Department of State for document reliability. If primary documents, like birth certificates, are from fraud-prone sources, they'll demand secondary evidence or originals. Requests for evidence and notices of intent to deny. If something seems off, you'll get an RFE, up to 84 days to respond, or an OID, 30 days, asking for more proof. Ignoring these can lead to automatic denial. Interviews and site visits. USCIS conducts in-person interviews, especially for marriage-based or employment petitions, to verify relationships or job offers. Their fraud detection and national security team may perform unannounced site visits to workplaces or homes to confirm details. Investigations and expert analysis. For suspicious cases, USCIS refers to forensic experts, e.g., for counterfeit docs, or coordinates with ICE for deeper probes. They also review social media, financial records, and third-party info for inconsistencies. Recent operations like Operation Twin Shield in Minnesota uncovered schemes like marriage fraud and fake death certificates through targeted reviews of over 1,000 cases. Tip lines and reporting. Public tips via USCIS's online form help flag potential fraud, which triggers administrative investigations. Red flags USCIS looks for. USCIS trains officers to spot indicators of fraud. Common ones include document issues, altered photocopies, unreliable foreign records, per DOS reports, or missing proof of unavailability for primary docs. Inconsistencies, discrepancies in testimony, such as conflicting stories during interviews or retractions of sworn statements. Derogatory information, adverse findings from background checks, like prior fraud attempts or mismatched financials. Engagement patterns, low credibility in affidavits, expert opinions contradicting claims, or evidence that doesn't add up in totality. Specific schemes, sham marriages, e.g., no shared life evidence, fake jobs, or using invalid docs like pre-2010 Puerto Rico birth certificates. What to avoid, tips for applicants. To stay on the safe side, focus on honesty and preparation. Submit accurate info, double-check all forms for errors. Provide complete, original documents where possible, and explain any gaps with evidence. Avoid shortcuts. Don't use unauthorized consultants or buy fake docs. USCIS can spot them easily. Prepare for scrutiny. If interviewed, be consistent and bring supporting proof like photos, bills, or emails for relationships/jobs. Respond promptly. Always reply to RFEs/noids with solid evidence. Seek professional help. Use accredited attorneys or reps to ensure compliance. Remember, even unintentional mistakes can raise flags, so transparency is your best defense. New rules and changes in 2025. 2025 has brought significant updates to USCIS's fraud detection, emphasizing stronger enforcement. Restored robust screening. As of August 2025, USCIS reinstated enhanced vetting processes to catch fraudsters, including mandatory interviews for high-risk cases and social media reviews. FDNS as law enforcement. Effective October 6, 2025, the FDNS Directorate gained full law enforcement status, allowing special agents to prosecute fraud more efficiently and expand site visits. Policy updates. New guidelines on good moral character and petition approvals mean I-130 approvals no longer auto-prevent denials or removals. Expect slower processing due to increased scrutiny nationwide. Codified authorities. A September 2025 rule formalized USCIS coordination for investigations, speeding up fraud handling. These changes aim to reduce backlogs by targeting ineligible cases faster, but they mean legitimate applicants need even stronger documentation. Conclusion: USCIS's fraud detection is thorough and evolving, so honesty pays off. By understanding these methods and avoiding red flags, you can navigate the system confidently. If you're applying, start with official resources and professional advice. What immigration topic should we cover next? Drop a comment below, like if this helped, and subscribe for updates. Thanks for watching.